Hello everybody. So this is the second episode of the R6 build. So for today we have my TTX back from revalving. So the spring is set for my weight. We got a magnetic drain plug. We're gonna change out the exhaust things. I don't know how they're called. Studs, nuts. Gonna take the wheels, take out the bearings, put new bearings in. Maybe wash up the pipe to make it shiny and new. This is gonna be, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. It sounds not much, but actually it is. So yeah. So the studs are rusty as fuck. So I think I'm gonna just grind them down, the rust out, and make them shiny and new. And we'll move on mounting them, the new. So we'll start by making the studs, cleaning them up, and after that, I think we should go to the bearings or just change out the magnetic drain plug, which is pretty easy and not so complicated. So we'll see how we'll do. So now I'm gonna get my, not the grinder, the wheel, the grinding wheel, and yeah, and start grinding these rusts. I don't know if you can see it, it's rusty as fuck. So I'm gonna start it and we'll see how it does. Okay, so the method I'm using is Harpic. It's a toilet cleaner. People use it with a sponge, as I have this machine, so I can just do it more easily. So I'm gonna put it in time lapse and see how it goes.
The money, the women, the cars, and the houses, the riches, I want it up. Bitches on bitches, just drinking like fishes, I always want a buck. Always on the road, always making moves, always making plays, studying the game, always making A's. Man, I'm so on a roll. Surrounded by bitches that's rolling my blunts and cutting my cantaloupe. Oops, I mean cantaloupe. No, I do not have the antidote. I am so sick and I don't need a doctor. I need me some Rasta, some shrimp and some pasta, and maybe some lobster. I don't need imposters. I just want the real shit. I wanna meet Will Smith, cause I'm a legend too. And I be flipping through the books like a reverend too. And all the rap beef comes with the lettuce too. Yo, I have never been about that shit, so I keep going in so I can keep on keeping out that shit like whoa. Philo Beats done whipped another one. Chillin' with my brothers, we ain't worried about no other ones. I'm just going up like it's the only way I know to go. Always saying yes to cash and always saying no to hoes. The money, the women, the cars, and the houses, the riches, I want it up. Bitches on bitches, just drinking like fishes, I always want a buck. Always on the road, always making moves, always making plays, studying the game, always making A's. Told you bitches that I'm coming back with that new. When I step in the room, I'm that dude. Ain't no arguing with that too. If you don't fuck with us, then you screwed. Ain't that hard to talk what I do. Talk about tree boy, cause I roll enough. A little bit of ass, cause I hold enough. And if you ain't fucked up, you don't know enough. Smell the fruit, then you know it's us. The dab is large and my cough is bigger. Your ego's big, I hope your coughing's bigger. And I hope you're ready for the harshest winter. I hope you're ready for the truth to hurt. I hope you're ready when I move the earth. I hope you're ready when the smoke is settled and you finally get to see who is first. Me, bitch.
So to explain what I done is out of all of the types that I tried, the best is the sponge. One of the best is the sponge, and the second thing is using I don't know, an automatic drilling machine. I don't remember the name. And these are the, I don't know, I bought them in AliExpress. It's wheel polishing something. It's really good. It doesn't tear up because, as you saw, this one got torn up really good. And the result, it's a lot better than it was. So I think I'm gonna just rinse it off with water. I'm gonna mount the exhaust up. I think that's for the exhaust part. The exhaust part will be done, and then we'll go to the wheels. So now I'm just gonna go out and rinse it. So, and I'm gonna change out the GoPro's battery, and I'm gonna come back. Okay. So, see you. Finished up the pipes. They look a lot better, like hell lot better. Not this part, but this part. So at the end I used some polishing compound, and it helped out to bring out the shine a bit, but they're just really used, so can't do nothing more. Just gonna mount the exhaust up and don't know. Then after that, the wheels.
She don't wanna hang around with a guy like me. She caught me with the Glock 9 on the side of my seat. Ask me what I'm doing, baby, I'm doing me. I'm a freak, keep it coming, give them something to see. Saying what they want when I'm turning my back. I can't put on an act, all I'm speaking is facts. Brother switching up, man, it kinda amaze me. Pop a pill and get lazy, feel like nothing can faze me. She said that I'm young and I'm dumb, I said I'm young and I'm numb, so I can't feel the pain anymore. Say you don't like me, but your girl getting hype for you when she dancing to my songs on the floor. Said she wanna come back, so I'ma take her away to the place I used to go.
So I'm gonna wait for a second person to help me with the suspension because it's not very comfortable locking it up and doing stuff. So I'm gonna try it with two people. Hope it's easier. Then yeah, I'm gonna do bearings now because I know I do this job in this few times. I did this job, so for the MT and for the R6, so I'm getting used to taking out the bearings. So I'm gonna take the wheel, take out the bearings, and that's gonna be all for today. And then I want to clean up because I can't find any tools, anything, because everything is scattered and I'm looking everywhere for a tool, so that's not good, so I'm gonna do it. I thought that I can remove this bearing, but actually I can't, so I'm gonna, don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm pretty tired of building these bikes in a limited time space of only weekdays, Saturday and Sunday. So I'm pretty exhausted. I don't get any rest at weekends. And I have to do them pretty fast. The R6 has, I don't know how many days, 30 days I think till the first race. Yeah, 30 days until the first race. The MT doesn't have a time limit, but I want it as fast as I can because I want to drive it. So I'm always on a limit, doing things fast. Yeah, that's pretty sad. What I think I can do now, maybe I'll fill the oil and maybe safety wire it, get ready. I'll just do that. So I'll safety wire it and that's gonna be it for today because I can't remove the wheel. One, I don't have the energy. Second, the power or the tools. So I'm gonna do that.